Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Bakery Shop Management System. And I have developed this project in Spring Boot, Angular, and the MySQL database. On the Spring Boot side, I am using JPA, Hibernate, and EJB. And for and the JDK version is 1.8. For MySQL, I'm using 5.6, and for Angular, I'm using Angular version 8. For connecting MySQL, I'm using the MySQL connector, right? So for front-end development, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and this is not a core HTML-based application, but yes, we have used Angular with those technologies, right? So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project. For ID, I'm using STS, Spring Boot tool suites for a Spring Boot application development, and Visual Studio Code for Angular application development. Right. So these two IDs I am using for developing this project. Also, now for UI, there are two type of UI I have integrated. The first one is for the login, and second one is for the admin panel. If you log in, then you will get the different UI, right? So these all technology stacks we have used for developing this project. So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented inside this project, right? So once you run this project, then you will get this login page, right? This is coming from Angular, and we are running it on port 4200, and my and the Tomcat, the Spring Boot application, we are running on the port 8080. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com, and password is test. Once you log inside the system, then you can see the internal UI has been changed because we have integrated two types of UI, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is the dashboard, right? This is a start cells. You can jump on the menu either clicking on here or clicking on here. Once you click on the start cell, then it's asking for the customer name and the customer mobile number. Once you enter the both things, right? And once you click on the start cell, then it will show you the sales dashboard, right? Here you need to select the product, right? Suppose I am adding Black Forest and quantity is 1. Once you add the item, then you can see the total unit price and total cost is calculating automatically, right? Suppose if I am adding a glass cake, so this is two items, so you can see the cost is 1000 and total cost is 2000, and total cost we have calculated is 2300 rupees, right? Again, suppose one, right? So you can see the total, all things are calculating automatically, right? So if you want to remove any item, just click on the delete, that item will be removed, and you can see the total amount you need to pay is 3000 rupees. Means customer need to pay is 3000 rupees. Once you click on the save cells, then all of the information will be saved into the database, and you will get this page, right? So this all data is coming from the database. You can print the receipt also, right? So this is the full sales functionality. This is the order report. All of the order which you have made earlier will be displayed here. You can see this is the order number 106, and total amount is 3000 rupees. If you want to see all of the items, just click on this arrow icon. You will be able to see all of the items. This is a product report. All of the product which you have added will be displayed here. So you can see there are 10 products, right? If you want to edit anyone, just click on the edit. You will be able to edit the products, right? And after that, you can submit it. If you want to delete any item, just click on the delete button, and that item will be deleted permanently from the database. This is add product. From here you can add the product. You can't submit the blank form because this form is a blank page validated, right? Means if you don't enter any value, then it will not be submitted. This is a company report, right? All of the company, if any product is associated with the company, will be displayed here. You can perform code application here. This is add company. If you want to add any company, then you can add it here, right? Once you click on the submit, you can see that has been added. If you want to delete it, just delete it. This is a category report, means what category that project belongs to, and you will get all categories here. You can perform the CRUD applications here also, right? So where this company and category are coming in the product, if you click on the add product, then you can see this is the product type, this is a category, right? This is a company, right? So these both drop downs are dynamic, At last, the logout. Once you click on the logout, all of the session will be destroyed, and you will not be able to access the internal pages because it's admin restricted, right? Once you click on the logout, you can see you had redacted. You have redacted to the login page. If you log in, then you will get this dashboard. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project, and which title is Bakery Shop Management System. As I told you earlier, this is a Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL based project. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.